That's why most of them, I think all of them were like this. Oof, I'm gonna cut a lot. It's gone. Hi guys, so I'm still right here. I'm just from work, then I took a bath. I was looking at my ends in the bathroom, right? Then like the ends of my hair, I have got a lot of split ends. I don't know if it can show properly, but this part of my hair is thinning, then there are split ends and there are knots. My hair needs a trim, right? But I don't want to stretch it, nor do I want to like remove these mini braids that I put. I want to try trimming it while it's in these mini braids. Yeah, so I want to trim these ends, right? Like right where the hair is starting to thin, I'm going to cut it here, and I'm just hoping that it won't unravel at the end. So I'm going to use these shears. Yes, I got them some months ago, and this is the first time it's noise outside. Yeah, I got them like some months ago, and this is the first time that I'm trying to use them. I got the ones in gold. They have gold color this side and silver this side, so they're the ones that I'm going to use. I won't use these regular ones. I use this one for cutting the fabric, and I hear it's not good for your hair, so yeah, like it's too blunt. So I got the shears, and they're the ones that I'm going to use. So I don't know if I'm going to do a good job, but yeah, let's see. I think I'll cut just here. I'm cutting like almost like an inch, but it has to go. My hair doesn't look nice. I just felt like crying when I looked at my hair in the mirror. So yeah, just going to cut it. It's gone. This is what we have. Oh my god, why has it gone? It's right here. That's the amount of hair that I've cut out, and I'm going to do that to the rest of my hair. Like, I'm even able to see the knots and the split ends. You guys should be trimming your hair. It's been well since I trimmed mine, but yeah, I'm going to lose some length, but it's okay. My hair always grows after I trim it here. So I want a new start, not completely, but at least a healthy start. I think this is good, so I'm going to do that to the rest of the hair. And let me just show you guys how how the mini braids look at the back. This is how they look. I'm going to use a mirror. I can see some split ends again in the ones on the side. So this is too much work, but the hair has to be healthy, so I'm going to cut the ones in the sides. I'm trying to be careful because I might end up cutting my whole head. Yep. You guys can't see anything, right? Yeah. Think let me start from behind. I've already cut these two in front, and yeah, they look good. Let me start behind. Hey guys, so I'm done cutting the hair everywhere. I was cutting each and every strand and they all look like this. They're blunt at the end. I've forgotten to cut this one. You see the way the hair is. That's why most of them, I think all of them were like this. Like this is dead hair, very dead. So I'm going to cut it somewhere here. Oof. I'm gonna cut a lot. It's gone. So the strands, they all look like this at the moment. So they're just blunt. I've cut all of them. They are all blunt. They no longer have thin ends. I'm so glad I've done this. It was very necessary because like when I look at all of them. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The strands are here, the ones that I've cut. Let me zoom you guys in. Yeah, so this is how all the hair looks. And this one I cut a lot. Yeah guys, so that's what I wanted to do. What am I going to do now? I'm going to go ahead and tie the hair and look presentable for once. I don't even know where I put the tripod. The camera is busy sliding here on the table. Are you guys too close? No. My hair hasn't really become short, right? Like very short, no. Because I'm still able to put it in a puff, in like a small bun. Yeah. So I think I can tie the hair like this even tomorrow. My hair is very long at the back, so yeah, so it can reach the front when I'm tying a puff. Let me see. I'm now not able to put all of them in a bun, like putting them together, but it's gonna survive like this. My hair will grow back just soon. It will just stand here. Maybe I'll put on a wig tomorrow. Just maybe. I forgot to show you guys the packaging of the shears. This is how it looks. That's what it's written. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys later.